a lot easier to clean that station when it's already wet. I mean, you just wipe it down. It's great.
That's going to happen.
Yeah, and you're welcome for that. There. All right, let's go ahead and show you this. We start downtown. Now notice, not raining as much in the metro area. We're getting a little bit of a break, and we'll go through that in the radar, but you can see obviously the road's pretty wet downtown right now. We've gotten broadly a ½ an inch of rain across the city here over the past few hours, and picking up some light to moderate showers still northwestern portion of the city, but boy, there are some impressive numbers already. South of Socorro, almost 4 inches of rain fell. Bosque del Apache over 2 inches, Daddle over an inch, Silver City 0.81, Berlin 0.75, and the Sunport not bad, doing okay. And that's going to be one of these deals that it's going to be a 2 to 3 day event here. So we're still looking at some decent numbers coming around with this rain even tomorrow and into Thursday as well. Flash flood warnings all across central New Mexico, down even into Chaves County. Flash flood watches in the areas of the lightest green, and sort of that mid-colored green is a flood advisory as well. So the takeaway from all this is the heaviest stuff is in central portions of the state right now. Here's a look at that break in the metro area. You can see we're going to calm things down for an hour or so here. We also have another bout of showers around Los Lunas and another band to our southwest. So that's the one we're going to need to watch throughout the evening hours to see if we get some more rain here in the city. A wider look shows, though, from mountain air curling into east central sections, steady rain continues, and down across the south. We're doing pretty well for rain from Carrizozo down toward Hatch and Las Cruces right now. Quieter across the southwest, at least temporarily. Meanwhile, up around Tucumcari, Santa Rosa, and up into northern New Mexico, the action continues. And also to the south, we're dealing with showers north of Roswell toward the Fort Sumner area. Here's the north, and you can see essentially from Bernalillo all the way up into the northern mountains, out toward Las Vegas and stretching up into the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, picking up some rain too. And remember with this, it's not as much a storm as it is a flow pattern. Because of that, we're going to get rounds of rain coming through. It's not a big low pressure system sliding through. It comes through in a day and it's gone. What we're going to see is that moisture continue to slide up from the south. We'll get breaks in it from time to time, but as you can tell right now, not one of those times, especially in central and northern New Mexico. It is cool in the city, 63 degrees. Winds are not a factor, 50s and 60s across the north, some 70s out east. Down to the south, 70s and 80s, along with 60s in the southwest. And we've got that same situation. You can see that storm system sitting to our west. That's not coming in, so we don't have to worry about that. And high pressure off to the east. And that's the real key to this whole deal, because the low out to the west and that counterclockwise flow pushes the moisture up into the state from the south, as does the clockwise flow from the high. So both of these tap into deep moisture to our south and ride it right up into the state, and that's exactly what's happened for today, and that's likely what's going to happen for tomorrow. But there is going to be one change tomorrow you're going to want to watch for. If you're in western New Mexico, we're going to draw in some dry air across the western third of the state. So not as many storms tomorrow. We'll get a little more sunshine, some pop-up thunderstorms, but the steady rain is now going to go from central and eastern sections across the state here, and not a bad setup throughout the day. Watch northeastern and east central New Mexico for the heaviest rain tomorrow. Back into Thursday, showers jump back to the west. But as you can tell, tomorrow and Thursday still both look like pretty good scattered to numerous rain days across many areas. So this is not over yet. Again, it's not going to be as constant maybe as it's been today, but we'll continue to see that chance at showers. Goes down a little bit to the west, as you can see, though. Northwest, 30% chance at showers tomorrow, and then that goes back up again on Thursday. Southwest, another good shot at least getting scattered storms and scattered showers as well. Meanwhile, southeast, a little better for tomorrow to pick up some showers. 80 Roswell, 76 Fort Sumner, and 70 in Ruidoso. Up to the northeast. This is going to be one of the real favorite areas. I think eventually, by the time we're all said and done, 4 to 5 inches of rain is not out of the realm of possibility in some isolated pockets in the northeast under some of these weather disturbances that kick through. Same deal over the northern mountains. I think we're looking at some big time rain over the next few days. 70s east mountains for tomorrow with an 80% chance at showers in and out. And here in the metro, more of a scattered rain deal for tomorrow, with temperatures a shade warmer and a little more sunshine from time to time. Extended forecast will keep at least numerous showers around you guys through the end of the work week.
Great type of rain. Good
It's
stuff.
perfect.
Mark, thank you.
Sports is next.